We cannot imitate Haridas Thakur. If we try to imitate Haridas Thakur, we will become a slave of Maya Devi. In 1975, there was once a devotee, an African devotee. He came from Kenya, and he met Prabhupada in Bombay, and he was insisting with Prabhupada that he get the permission to chant and stay in a lonely, secluded place. And Prabhupada went on telling him, no, you must be with devotees. He said, no, I want to be alone. Anyway, what could Prabhupada do? So Prabhupada gave him the permission, and he went and built a hut in Mayapur. And after a few days, the devotee was lost, and nobody has ever seen him since then. So we do not artificially imitate Haridas Thakur by withdrawing ourselves to a secluded place. The devotee stays in the association of other devotees and executes devotional service. The spiritual association enlivens one. The spiritual association is like fresh air. The spiritual association helps one to proceed with the process of devotional service.